Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Thursday's Daily Financial Digest. And here's what's making the headlines in the markets today.
The Bitcoin dollar pair exploded 2.4% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The euro dollar pair rose 0.3% in the last session. The ultimate oscillator is giving a negative signal. The pound dollar pair gained 0.5% in the last session. The RSI is giving a positive signal. The Aussie dollar pair exploded 1.0% in the last session. The MACD is giving a negative signal.
And now let's hear what our chief analyst picked up for us today.
The next iPad releases are expected later in the year, but a new report says that an expected upgrade now won't be coming. London Stock Exchange Group, LSEG, has teamed up with Flow, a platform that connects investors with private firms, in a move to expand into global private markets and become genuinely indifferent about company ownership. Bitcoin fluctuated after the Federal Reserve signaled additional tightening while increasing interest rates, making risk assets potentially less attractive to investors.
Those were today's major economic events. And now, moving on to world financial headlines.
The US housing starts will be released at 12:30 GMT. The UK's monetary policy summary at 1200 GMT. Australia's employment change at 0000 hours and 30 minutes GMT. The UK's monetary policy summary will be released at 1200 GMT. The US housing starts at 12:30 GMT. The Irish consumer confidence at 0000 hours and 1 minute GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Thursday's Market Outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.